Hi class, I'm working on a different computer now, or actually emulating that, and I'm going to run Visual Studio, and I want to get my project from TFS. So I don't have it on this computer, so I'm going to continue without code, and I'm going to check my connection in Team Explorer. I'm connected to my 150.101 project. If I wasn't, I could, oh, and if I didn't have Team Explorer showing, I would use View, Team Explorer. Once Team Explorer is showing, I can manage my connections, choose Connect to a Project, and my CIS team server here. See if it will let me connect to it. Mine's always very slow when it's doing this connection. We saw that I was already connected, so I'm just going to cancel here and go back to my home screen because I'm already connected. So I'm connected to my TFS server. I've double checked that. I could click here and make sure that it goes to my portal. And here in my local workstation, on my workspace, I have no Visual Studio Code. This computer has not had any projects created on it. So I'm going to use my Source Control Explorer to locate my project. It was this test console app project. And as soon as I click on it, it automatically got the latest version for me from the server. I'm going to right click on this project and choose Get Latest Version. So you'll see that it did that. Oh, and look, it did not. It's getting everything for me. Now, I already have Visual Studio open, so I'm going to double click on the solution file to open this project's solution. I can go then to my Solution Explorer, and I should be able to see that this project has been opened. I'll expand it. There are the properties for it. My program.cs. I can edit it. Very good. So now I have access to this project. If I make some changes right away, we see the little red check mark that tells us that TFS has automatically checked out this file to me because I'm making updates. And I can run my code if I like, and then check in my project. Notice that even though I changed program.cs, the solution file does show a change. I'm going to say to save it. And when I look at what changes are included, the program.cs file is the only file that will be updated in TFS. I'll check in that change. And now the updated version of my code is available on TFS for me when I get back to school or when I get to the next computer that I want to use. I could continue editing this version of the code that's on this local workstation and check it in if I wanted to. It will remain, but I need to be careful with this project because I could end up with the version on my local machine being older than the version that's on my server. And if that happens, TFS will let you know, and you can say, oh, I would like to keep the version that's on my workstation. Or more likely, I would like to update this to the version that's on the server. So be sure to be watching your messages so that you can respond correctly and know how to take care of anything that comes up in that sort of situation. So that's all we need to do to get code from TFS is just connect and get that latest version. Have fun!